This conference will now be recorded.
So I just showed you the site yesterday for Canva where you can design your own logo, your creators, and whatever you need for digital marketing, to create content. Um, we have this free tool called as Canva. There are other ones as well, the Stencil, and so you want to go, into more professionally, you have to pick up tools like Photoshop and Corel Draw. But something which is more accessible is always Canva. You have a lot of designs which are free. And there I was just showing you a monogram and a lettermark format yesterday, where basically if you can just have your name of your business and tagline to start off, that's good enough. You've seen many of these designs like HBO, Coca-Cola, even NASA, IBM, these companies. This is based on the monograms. And you're someone new into this business, it would be great if you can have a tagline as well along with it. And you can have picture based symbols, pictorial marks. All the bigger brands, if you see Apple, Twitter, Target, those are the brands which are already familiar, and even if they don't have to put their name out there, it's easily recognized. So the process would have started initially, or the stage they are in today. I told you that, right? Initially, it will be strangers, then they turn into audience, customers, and promoters. So through this journey, company goes through, you can start off having your own identity. Why do you need a logo? To earn trust of your customer and that unique identification, graphical identification for your business. Or if you're an individual running it, that's again the same thing. So basically, it's part of your branding, and you can have it. You can also have abstract designs. You can just have shapes there and name going along with that. Or if you're seeing other brands like mass KFC, you have Colonel on that with a small letter branding to the right side. Then you can have mix of both as well. I think right now for a business which is initial stage, you can have mix of both along with a tagline. That will be more helpful and recognize the business. So these are the few steps which would be taking the initial stage of a business. So for that, you can use Canva and okay. So even to create content, anything you want to put up on your social media handles, your Facebook, Insta, or you already have an image and you would like to add in a logo and make it much better, you can use Canva for that. And one more site I would like to suggest is, let me just share the screen. 1 minute. So who sent me that link? Someone sent me a link. Okay, impulse copy. That's nice. Someone has done it. Oh, okay, nice. Very good. Byte and beans. Nice. How about others? Lakshmi has sent in. Chandana has shared it. Latika has shared. That's really nice. Crafting corner. I'm sure. Oh, okay. The others are coming in now. Okay, that's good. So that's Canada. Really nice. So again, the brand stage and the life cycle of the of the business basically, how they recognized by your audience and customers. So initially, having just a logo will not be doing that much of justice. You can start with a bit of, you can use pictorial as well, but you can use graphics and add in the name of your business with a tagline. And you can use since or established since whatever time, just to add a little more credibility and presence of time from when they have come into business. Okay, anyone else sharing? So far I've got one, two, three, and four. Chandana, you need to accept the request I sent you for the link you shared in the group. Okay, if you design, you can create and share to me. I shared a PNG. Yeah, I'm just checking. Oh wow, nice. That's great. Yeah, that's really nice one. Um, Sharing the screen now. Just let me know if it's visible. Okay, there's this one more site. If you feel you're running short of icons on Canva, you can check this. It's called flat icon or flat icon. So there you find a lot of icons which you can be using for your business design. So I've just chosen. I've just chose a restaurant here. So you like fashion, yeah? See here, but make sure don't go to again iStock or Adobe Stock. I think they're gonna be paid ones. But here, what you see, you can make use of this. Now these icons here. Yeah, they come with ads. Any point of time you want to design, even for your creatives, creating an offer, creating an event, you can make use of this site as well. It's free and you can check out. As per your category of business, you can look for icons here, which can be used in logo. For now, try it in your, for your logos. And later, whenever you want to create other designs like as an event or for any kind of general post, you can make use of this. We have more than 40 participants in this, I guess. At least currently we have 30. Uh, what about others? Okay. Uh, yeah, I'm just working on this. So is the screen visible now? Okay, great, great, great. Yes. So it can be a content, I've just used an tablet design here. Any point of time I can take that out, remove the square. So this is what to just start with something, uh, very simple design. And after this, you can go on adding the elements. Or see if it's see here, it's a cafe, so it's something not that serious kind of business. Or if you're doing something into real estate, and if you're uh, if you're into law and legal, so those are businesses which need to be a little serious in terms of the representation. Then you need not have anything, just place it here and maybe some theme or graphic which represent the business. That should be sufficient. Or times just name and the one second, let me place that back again. Okay, name would be sufficient. At times, if you don't have a tagline, it's completely fine. You can have a description, but start with this. This should be a first step into Canva, and I'm sure most of you I saw this crafting corners. That's come out really nice. So some bit of effort like that will be very good if you can spend some time on this. Okay, going ahead, see, I told you in Canva we have all the options. So next time you want to create a post, you have it here, or you're using for your everyday Instagram use. So that's possible here as well. If you go into social media, yeah. So here you have Facebook post, Instagram post, and some presets are also available. So if you're someone who doesn't have time to create your own designs, that's all right. But understand what should be within that framework of post, and you can use a preset. And for templates, see, basically a template is a design which has been used before, and it's a successful format which has worked for this. So you have templates everywhere. You have email templates, you have design templates, you have even on the MS Office, you have templates. So those are designs which have worked, and you can. There's nothing wrong in using them, and these all are copyright free. So just change them according to your business and share it to me. That should be an easier option if you're not willing to create your own. That's okay. But if you do it, that's great. So here you have for Instagram ad, you have Instagram story, Facebook cover, Facebook ad. You also have how do you create any intro to your YouTube videos for Pinterest. Okay. Only few kind of places we need to be very specific. I'll just show you one. So today we'll just keep it very simple and not much serious topics. We'll just look into Canva and try finishing Google Business Representing. And for images, you can look out for Pixabay or Pexels. These two sites are great. Pexels again has good stock videos as well, which you can use, posting your content. You can bring them in, and they are tied up with Canva. So when you're using Canva itself, you can get in these images, and create a content. So I was just telling you. Uh, for now, you don't have to worry. Just bring in an image for cover image of your Google business. Let me just put there. Okay. So yesterday we were using Digital Edge. The other businesses share as well. Let me check if I can go back there. Which would you prefer? Shall we do the cafe or the digital marketing? Just let me know in the chat section. Okay. One says cafe. Okay. Two, three. Okay. It's more interesting though. Fine. I'll just add in some elements and create a very basic one here for now.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
Sir, your voice is not clear, sir.
Is it? Today I'm using a headphone and it should be much better. Yesterday I was using a laptop. I mean, just the laptop speak microphone. Is it audible now? Is it better?
Yesterday,
No,
yesterday
yesterday I
it
was
was
using.
better, sir.
Is it? I was using the laptop's microphone yesterday. One second. How about now? Is it better? Can you hear me? Hello? Just let me know for a couple of minutes, I mean, couple of seconds, and then I'll continue. Is it audible now? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay. Okay, go to the home screen and search for logo. Each time you're picking up any kind of design, it'll show you what is the dimension of it in terms of pixels. So a general logo will be 500 into 500 pixels. So here you see here as well, there's some preset, and what you see is initials with name of the company and description. It will not be tagline always. It can also be a description when you're adding initials of it. So someone was interested in a pet shop, but this is a pro version. You can just check out and create similar design. You get this in the flat icons and also here as well. This is a good one for food truck. So very simple. You have name of your business and a graphical representation to the left, or it can be just a logo and look at this, a simple design. Okay, someone has designed them. Yeah, this is nice. Sunset yoga, belief meditation. Yeah, great. This participation is all, with the vodka. Naples coffee has come on good. Paradise, nice. And someone has created dynamic post as, I mean, dynamic content as well. Impulse coffee, nice. It's really good. But this is really nice. It has all the elements here. Bite and beans. Crafting corner. That's really good. That shows, I mean, some time has been spent on that. This one. Okay. Give it a shot. Not be great. Just at least you should get the idea and can go forward with it. I'm sure you people are doing much better design than mine. What I'm telling you is what should be the content and framework of it. Rest is up to your creativity and your requirement. Okay. So it's just showing you here. So someone have, what's this coach. So initially in the beginning of the class, I told you the types of logos we have. It can be just initials. You can have name of the business, or the bigger businesses. They just have their, the graphical representation, and people can easily recognize it. But initial part of the stage, it's better to have a small icon next to it, which will help in recognizing what your business is about. Okay, let's be able to create a blank one. Let me do the same thing which I did earlier. See again how you change the text font and the icon. Color isn't always important. You can, that brings in the light in it. But to start with, the font, your tagline, and business name should be more enough. Okay, here there's some shortcuts. If you type T, the text, name of the business. I choose cafe rush, T again. Okay. come up with your own tagline, that's okay. Or you can just have one description, premium cafe or whatever, like Bangalore-based cafe, anything like that. Okay, and place it in the center. Just do a simple one. Let's not spend much time on this today. Wait. Okay. And whenever you want to decrease or the length of the text and you want to bring it to the size of the bigger text, just head here and you change it, spacing, letter spacing, make it wide, or this is position. You can move, you can use a mouse, or this would be much better. It places it right away in the center and middle. And the same here again. Okay. Anytime you want some guidance, go into file, and here you'll be getting your margins, uh, the ruler guides will help you keep it aligned. And you want to do finer correction, use the arrow marks on the keyboard. So it's much better and easier than a mouse. And up recent elements, I chosen one. Okay, this is simple. Should basically but if you see the one, Starbucks use, that's all emblem based. Harley Davidson, they all come in terms of emblem. You'll be seeing them in circular shape. Whenever you want to group something, it's Control G, so that groups the elements together. Okay, and later if you move it around as well, not going to change. Cafe rush, don't happiness, happiness, don't fresh. Increase this again. Control Z. I'm sure you'll be knowing that. And anytime you want to add in some effects to the text, you have it here. Yeah, so something simple like that. The ones who are not doing it right, do a simple logo. It shouldn't take much time, or just add in a an icon and name of your business. And some have really given it time, and some are really good. That should be it. Or you want to add a circle, you can add a circle. You want a square, you can do that. It's all here in element section. And anytime you want to duplicate, it's Control plus D, center. You can send it back, and yeah, you just change the color you want. And if you want to remove the square background at the back, you can do that and remove easy.com. Yeah. So I earlier told you you can use Control D to get duplicate. And if any element is behind you, you're not able to reach with your mouse, you can use Tab. Control D, change it. Yeah, you can go on doing improvements. You can do it however you like it. Okay, let's finish with this logo. And screen, okay, one second. Yeah, download the PNG. Here you'll be finding it share and then download. Okay, then I go to remove the BG and drag that in. Okay, I need to place it on the desktop and then there's more that could have been done. I'm just doing this in a hurry. You can take time and do it later. See, once that's done, logo, eat, repeat, sleep. Nice. Food and laziness together. It's good. Desktop. That's it. And rest is adding images. Let's not bother much about cover image in this. We can add that later when you're doing Facebook banner. That's really requires you to have the exact dimensions. So I think it's around 1545 in width and 423 to get that exact banner. Let's see if possible we'll do that as well today. So you can skip that part when we're doing YouTube. Okay, we have the cover, we have the logo, just add in any image. So for which you can head over to Pixabay of Texas, say cafe. This is good. Just make sure you complete everything in Google My Business. All these small details. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah. One more image. I'll just pick it up from here as well. And head over to Google Business again. Exterior. Do this and also please share me the link of your Google Business on WhatsApp. So once it's complete, you'll have an idea. So in this section alone, you have video, interior, exterior, food, drink, menu, team. So we chosen cafe now, and it's mandatory. You add in the menu. So this should be again customized to your cafe. Okay, there's one more. Oh wow, nice. You added a background. See, it looks much better now. Got another one. Yeah, see, that makes a lot of difference adding a background. But good efforts though. And this is really nice. I remember this. There was this game, right? I forgot. There's one game which it's on the mobile platform where you have to guess who's the killer. It reminds me of that. Okay. Once that's done, and I hope you all have applied for verification if you've created the business. So each time you add up, taking time and create all this, you're see here again. See, this is one common thing I've seen. Whenever you add in businesses like cafe and restaurant, they tend to have more searches than the rest of the businesses because people will also always be looking for it. And one more request is also if you're doing this on a practice, make sure you add in this so we don't misguide other people. Especially if you place it in a CBD, like any kind of commercial areas or central district, business district. People start looking out for it, and they should not land up there and not find it. So, in case you're doing cafe and restaurants, please make sure to add this demo purpose only. You don't mislead others. Okay, so once it's done, and see entirely the options here changes for me. I get reservation links, I get order head link, menu link. So depends on what business category you initially uh, choose and look for. This layout changes for you. Okay. There's one more thing which I was just telling you yesterday. More or less that should be done. Home. Yeah, post. So post again, you can make use of Canva. So that you had particularly three things here. One is offer, what's new, that's normal post, and events. You can add in just events and you just add in the images first and then mention the details. That's okay for now to do it. But anytime you're creating a post, we'll quickly create one post, and I'll just tell you how we can make it better and what are the small tricks people usually use for this. So go into homepage, Canva. Okay, let's take any post. Instagram post is okay. This should be good for Google Business, or you can take Facebook post dimensions as well. Okay, so here you have some designs. Create ones if you are not willing to spend time to create, from scratch. It's okay. Just pick up one of the presets here and add in your business details. I guess some of you have done that already. That's good. So participation is more important than our design skills here. So we get a hang of it. So basically, what should we have there? And how we can make use of this? Um, First, definitely you should have a headline. See here, they're already giving you preset to the left, and you can make use of shapes, transparency. You can use frames basically to add images, and to take out that rectangular shape, you can add a circle, and there's so many options of frames there. I'll just show you. And look at this one. This is so good. Good vibes. Time to travel. So you can make use of something like this. Or if you have a business which is about a resort or farm stay, all those kind of places, you can use this. And moreover, whichever design you pick, you'll be seeing some basic elements in that, which I'll just show you now. Okay, first, what you can do is go into elements, and here, or you can start with the text. Shortcut is T. You can have as coming soon. Watch this space. So that can be a headline, or coming soon also should be sufficient. Okay, rest here. You find frames. There's so many types of frames which you can make use of. There's one with desktop, there's one with PC, and there's one more option as well, which I'll just show you. I'll just take a circle for now. Increase it, place it somewhere in the corner. You can do it however you want. I'm just showing you one of the commonly used methods. Okay, and look for photos. It may not be on Pixar and uh, Pixabay and Pixels. There are some collections here as well. So we do cafe. Look for cafe here, or an image which you already have also should be great. Okay, see you have a lot of options here. So the minute you add it into the shapes, Yeah, so something like this. Is it? Control A, change the font. One second. Yeah, so you can bring up the logo and the rest of it. You already have social media handles, you can add them on the bottom. Or there's another way which you can do that. So you add in content according to the design. Or see, there's ones with preset as well here. One is using frames, that's one option you have. Or another one you can do is the smart mocker. That's actually trending. So anytime you want to add in contact details or I'll just show you here. Pick the image first. Say I'm bringing in this image itself. Clear the frame and click on that, and you get edit image. Here you have smart mockups. Go to see all. So either you can add in your logo or the image of the business. So you basically the design goes into another image. So a logo would be much better there. Yeah. There's a lot of smart mockups. Or if you're doing a cafe, okay. So here instead of this, you can add in a design there. You can always change the image, but click on it, go to smart mockup, and here you get your options. And there's a filters here as well. Okay. I'll just bring in that upload. One second. If you bring in the previously created logo itself and put that in smart mockup. Okay. Edit image and smart mockup. So you can even add it on, for creating content like you can put them on people here. That's also possible. Okay, I found this better. At least for this design, this should be good. So there are a lot of options here. Check it out. Use frames and headline and also social media handles in the bottom. Just yeah, something like that. So when you take an image and add it, it's going to look like this. Otherwise, if you put it in the frame, it's going to be much better. I'll just show you that. Now we got to mock that, a smart marker. So you can go into elements, look for any shape, this for example, and you can add in this mock into that. But again, it changes into the logo again. Once again. Okay. So either have that and then it's just telling you coming soon, Cafe Rush, and you can add in the social media handles at the bottom. Again, for that, you need to go into elements, look for it, say Insta, then find other ones. What we generally have like Facebook, Snapchat, YouTube, the common ones. I'll bring it again. Try resizing them because here you get guides and you can place them in one shape. Another way to use this is you can add in a shape and put them behind it. I'll just show you. For example, go into elements, say a rectangle, and bring it to the bottom, position, back. Okay, and have a text like find us on. Okay, align them properly and it as well. So okay, I was just telling you about shapes. You can add in elements and place them at the back. So it creates an highlight for it. And, for example, you have coming soon. So you can drag that all the way. Use tab in case you're not getting the element. Use transparency here. And if you duplicate and place it again, you can create that double effect of it. For what I've used in the logo here, the circle, yellow and black, you can do that. And have a body of the post here, like as in, see here, say first 50. Let's come up with something. And the date, say 5th of April. Location is important, depending on the post. You can refer other templates as well. You'll have it to the left side. Just bring them in. And I think the smart markup would have been better there. Anyway. Okay, contact information and all this. So basically, if you go on adding elements, you'll get that complete look of it. You can add Google Business as well, say Google. Go into graphics, sorry. Say Google Business or Google Maps, anything. Say even Google should be, yeah, that should be good. And these elements are usually used in general, so yeah. Okay, it should be good. Yeah. You can do, spend time go adding elements. Or another easy way is just add in a background and then add in the text. That should take much less time. For example, see here, if you go to photos and then click on this, should take that into background. Let's take something more simple. And here, to the left, you have an option called background. Here, I think someone had used this. Yeah. This should be good. Yeah, yeah. So here again, if I had removed the background, it would be much better. Let's see if I have that version as well. Should be in upload. It's not there. Anyway, I need to use the white background for now. Okay, never mind. Use this and reduce. Yeah. So basically, you should have this, and also we can add in, website details and all those kind of important links. That'll be good. Your social media handle, your Google Business logo, and what is the headline of this text. Okay, let me find this image and okay, now it should be your post. What this is about, launching soon. Add a CTA or now buy now learn more and add the link of your site. See, for example, I'll just take coffee day here, some related site. But here it should be your own website. So where you basically taking your customers from that content towards your website or your landing page. See this and link. You can add multiple images. I think up to 10 images are possible. You should be getting something like this. Publish. And same with events. To understand, I'm just going to bring an image which already have. Let's see. Okay, I'll just take this. Okay. Here you can crop the image. Upload photo. Title. Say launch. Should have gone into offer. Yeah. Crop. Select. Upload photo. Say launch offer. Specify the details and what date would this be on. So I think let me select it. 5th, is it? Uh, what date are we taking? Okay, anyway, I'll just take it as 5th of April. You want it end the same day, just give the same date there. And more details, you can add in terms and conditions, coupon code, and all those offer details. Cafe Rush. So CR is the one, the first one. You can add a link as well to redeem that offer if you're selling it online. I'll just use the same link, and terms and conditions you can say valid for the launch day only. You can add in your terms and conditions here. Okay, you get a preview. Here again, you can spend time and create. I'll be skipping that for now and publish. So once you do that, I think I just explained you users yesterday, and you can go out the roles there. Website. So this again, you can design like every part. I mean, if you go into themes, you can change the color. It's quite minimal compared to what you can do on WordPress or Wix, but it's good enough to start with. And you can save this and go to text, make the changes there. So you get description, summary header, summary body, and headline. I just changed that because already they're getting views on this. This being a business category of cafe, people generally look out for it. So if you're doing something, okay, and you have your updates, your event, post, launching soon, launch offer. So come up with this, the menu as well. So more details you upload and start updating on this profile. Even your the output of your website also gets better. More posts and more details, reviews. This add up to the credibility of it. Once done, save, visit. So this site, once we get into Google Ads, you can be using that. Okay, this site will move to the right. Okay, whenever you design something, there's this concept of safe zone. So basically, add in those guidelines and try bringing the main content in center of it. So when you upload, this doesn't happen. Okay, getting back to this. Settings, booking, yeah, insight. So this profile has got some user, yes, yeah. So different categories, insight and the responses changes. See here, some people have requested for directions as well. No phone calls yet, but you do get if once you start. I mean, once you are verified and people are interacting with the business, you do get phone calls, images. So 3 have requested for directions. I mean, this was recently created, and a listing on map, listing on search. Yeah, it takes a bit of time when you're designing in Canva. To get a good one, you need to spend some time, or the best way there is using preset. If you have preset, that'll be much better. See templates pro. Um, Okay. Here again, you can change the background. Say, click here. Yeah. So these were the images, shapes actually I was talking about. You see that triangle and rectangular there. So again, add in the social media handles and yeah. So give this a go and create one post. Let's see how it comes out. And I think by this, most of the Google business should be completed. And once you're done, share me the link on WhatsApp, post info, and see everything changes once you change the business here. The menu, reservation, order link, menu link, your payment mode, everything changes here. So for the one store doing cafe, just check this out. Then options, dining options here, breakfast, lunch, seating, and all these. So what kind of business category you choose, those kind of options template, you get, and options as well, payment method. Initially, when I taken service or education, I didn't have these options. So it changes each time you choose the business category. Okay. In case you have registered yourself on Zomato, Dine Out, any of those links, you can place and go to your listing, get the link, and paste it here. Menu link as well. If you have a website where one section is just about the menu, you can paste the link there. So once you paste the link and all the other details come in, okay, give this a go and we'll continue again. We'll continue on Monday. We'll be starting Facebook. Let's end the session a little early today, being a weekend and also festival tomorrow. So can you all please spend some time on this and create a business profile and send the link on WhatsApp? You can send it to me by Monday. Monday morning.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Hello.
yeah. Tell me.
Sir, this work must be done only in laptop, sir.
LB, you get more options on the laptop. Try it on the phone. I don't know how much you can edit that. Use preset and just change the business tagline and business name. You can do it on the mobile as well. There's a Canva app for it.
Sir, can you please give us some time because Monday, Tuesday we have a submission date for another
Okay, no
assignment.
problem. Sure. Wednesday.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, fine. Let's meet on Monday. Thank you.